Which of the following curves are graphs of functions? So, what do we need? Well, we've got this rather elegant test now, this vertical line test. So all we've got to do is to see, does it work or does it not work? So let's draw a vertical line and move it around and see if at any point anything bad happens. So this guy, all good, crossing once, disaster, right? Over here it crosses twice. That's enough to sink everything, because if this was the graph of a function, it would have to have two outputs at that position. So this is not a function. This guy, so this one's a bit interesting. Again, I don't seem to cross more than once. There is a bit of a point that causes concern to me though. That point there, it's kind of interesting at this point. It seems to become kind of vertical for a moment. That's totally fine. It's fine to become vertical for a moment as long as you don't have two distinct points which are on top of each other. This is kind of vertical at that one moment. It's still just 1 point crossing. It's not violating the vertical line test. All right, so this looks a little bit dangerous, but because it's only vertical for a second, or for a single moment, you've got no issues. So yeah, this is totally fine. One cross everywhere at most. That's all we need to worry about. So this is a function. This guy, again, I've chosen kind of interesting examples just to test the boundaries of our understanding. This is a function. Well, it's all good here, it's all good here. What about here? Right in the middle. That's the only point which could cause a problem. So it's fine. It's fine because at this point, the solid dot, there's only one solid dot. So that means you're only crossing this or intersecting it once, right? Because the top is hollow and the bottom is solid. So it's just happening once. And over here, you're fine. Over here, you're fine. So again, same story. You have one intersection. So at most one intersection anywhere, this is a function. Now, if instead I had this, two solid dots, it would fail. Precisely because at 0, you'd need two outputs to do that. But we haven't done that, so it is a function.